Examtrix 99 YouTube channel. Don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about General Awareness Question and Answer 2020-2021 in SPI, IPPS, RRB, Reserve Bank of India and all competitive exams. Let's begin the question and answer. India has handed over the war game center named as Dash to Uganda People's Defense Force. People Defense Force. Uganda People Defense Force India. eKYC is possible only for those who have eKYC is possible only for those who have Aadhaar number. Which bank has won the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020? Central Bank of the Year Award 2020, Bank of Ghana. An open source platform for mobile to mobile fund transfer without account details launched by NPCI was. An open source platform for mobile to mobile fund transfers without account details. Account details launched by NPCI was Unified Payment Interface. Unified Payment Interface. What do we mean by ECP in financial terms? Financial terms, ECB, external commercial borrowing. External commercial borrowing. Name the person who has become the new Chief Executive Officer, CEO of French Technology Major Capgemini Group. CEO of French Technology Major Capgemini Group. Ayman Issat. What is the full form of FCCP? FCCP, Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Which of the following is not the product development by NPCI? NPCI is not the product development by NPCI. Indian Bill Payment System is not NPCI. Indian Bill Payment System. How many digits are there in CIBIL score? Are there in CIBIL score 3? Who has won the 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction? Has won the 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction? Douglas Sturt. The chairman of SPI CP is nominated by. The chairman of CP is nominated by Government of India. Government of India. What is the full form of CP? SCPA. Single Euro Payment Area. SCPA, Single Euro Payment Area. Single Euro Payment Area. The 22 and meeting of the Financial Stability and Development Council FSTC. Financial Stability and Development Council held in New Delhi was chaired by FSTC Nirmala Sitharaman. Which of the following is merged with CP? Is merged with CP? FMC. FMC is merged with CP FMC. If a currency note is demonetized, it take away the dash of the currency. Legal tender character. What is the expiry date of Pediatric Sector Landing Certificate? PSLC. Pediatric Sector Landing Certificate March 31. PSLC. Currency swap is an instrument to manage. Currency swap is an instrument to manage. Currency swap is an instrument to manage. Gas follows in different currency. In different currency, plastic money denoted credit card. How many times Reserve Bank of India announced monetary policy in a year? How many times Reserve Bank of India announced monetary policy in a year? 4 times. Monetary policy is known as which type of body? Monetary policy is known as which type of body? Statutory body. How many members in Monetary Policy Committee? How many members in Monetary Policy Committee? 6 members. Under which Act NPFC or incorporated? NPFC or incorporate Companies Act 1956. Who has been appointed as the new executive director of Asian Development Bank Manila, ATP Manila? Samir Kumar Kara. Samir Kumar Kara. Samir Kumar Kara. RNPC stand for Statutory Non-Banking Companies. Statutory Non-Banking Companies. Which is the longest dam in India? Longest dam in India, Hirakutam. Infrastructure Finance Company, IFC, Infrastructure Finance Company is a non-banking finance company has a minimum net owned fund of 300 crore. The theme of World Telecommunication and Information Society of 2020. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day 2020 is Connect 2030 ICTS for the Sustainable Development Goals. ICT for the Sustainable Development Goals. Which of the following act is useful in controlling Hawala transactions? Act is useful in controlling Hawala transaction. FEMA Act. Which is the highest dam in India? Degree dam. Highest dam in India, Degree dam. Krishnanagar Sagar dam has been built in across which river? Kaveri. Indra Sagar dam situated across which river in Madhya Pradesh state? Which river in Madhya Pradesh? Narmada river. Nagarjuna Sagar dam is situated in Telangana. Reserve Bank of India, where is the headquarters of the Coastal Local Area Bank Limited? Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called Willy. Name of the payment bank that has collaborate with MasterCard to create customized financial product for Indian farmers and small medium enterprises, SME, small medium enterprises. Airtel Payment Bank. Asian Development Bank, ATP, and the Government of India have signed $177 million loan to upgrade road infrastructure in which of the following state? Maharashtra. $177 million. Maharashtra. ATP. Next question. ATP headquarters in which of the following countries? Philippines. What is a Mudra? Development and Reference Agency. What is next question? Where is the headquarters of Exim Bank? Mumbai. Which of the following state has presented the Anuram Robert Award? Assam. Next question. Dr. Jitendra Singh released the coffee table book on discovering the heritage of Assam. The book is authored by next question. Dr. Jitendra Singh released a coffee table book on discovering the heritage Assam. The book is authored by Padmamani Bora. First ever cannabis medicines project will be in which state? UT. First ever cannabis medicines project will be in which state? UT, Jammu and Kashmir. First ever cannabis medicines projects will be in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. An open source platform for mobile to mobile fund transfer without account details launched by NPCI was Unified Payment Interface. Repeat question. Unified Payment Interface. Which of the act as Central Counter Party? CCP. Central Counter Party in the Government Securities? CCIL. Central Counter Party in the Government Securities? Central Counterparty CCP in the government's countries CCIL. France is an ally of copper and tin. France is an ally of copper and tin. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal launched an anti-air pollution. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal launched an anti-air pollution campaign ahead of winter. What is the name of the campaign? CM Arvind Kejriwal launched an anti-air pollution campaign ahead of winter. What is the name of the campaign? Youth pollution की वृत्ति. Youth pollution की वृत्ति. First, India First Coast Guard. India First Coast Guard Academy will be established in which of the following cities? India First Coast Guard Academy will be established in which of the following cities? Mangalore. Small Industry Development Bank of India. SITPI. Small Industry Development Bank of India set up under which Act? Act 1989. The Banking Optimism Scheme was introduced under Banking Regulation Act 1949. Banking Regulation Act 1949. Which public sector bank has decided to exit from housing finance business? Central Bank of India. Which public sector bank has decided to exit from housing finance business? Central Bank of India. Indira Sagar Dam is situated across which river in Madhya Pradesh? Narmada River. Indira Sagar Dam is situated across which river in Madhya Pradesh? Narmada River. What CATT stand for? Central Agreement on Traffic Trade. Central Agreement on Traffic and Trade. Central Agreement and Traffic and Trade. Which organization was formed for managing retail payment in India? Which organizations was formed for managing retail payment in India? NPCI. Which organization was formed of managing retail payment in India? NPCI. Who has been appointed as Executive Director at World Bank in Washington DC? World Bank in Washington DC, Rajesh Kular, CEO. Executive Director at World Bank in Washington DC, Rajesh Kular. Names important. Which helpline has been launched by the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry for Mental Health Rehabilitations? Which helpline has been launched by the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry for Mental Health Rehabilitations? Kiran. On which of the day the World Digestive Health Day is observed globally every year? World Digestive Health Day is observed globally every year, 29th May. Where is the headquarters of National Housing Bank located? National Housing Bank located New Delhi. Where is the headquarters of AU Small Finance Bank? AU Small Finance Bank, Jaipur. Important question. AU Small Finance Bank, Jaipur. Metro Dam built across Kaveri River at Salem district in which state? Metro Dam built across Kaveri River at Salem district in which state? Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following is not an objective of the MGNREGA? MGNREGA. Providing up to 100 days of skilled labor in financial year. Providing up to 100 days of skilled labor in a financial year. Saubhagya Government of India. Next question. Saubhagya Government of India scheme related to which of the following areas? Achieving universal household electrification. Achieving universal household electrifications. whose birthday is celebrated as Kishan Divas. Kishan Divas. Whose birthday is celebrated as Kishan Divas? Chaudhary Charan Singh. Chaudhary Charan Singh. Tachikam National Park is situated in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. The folk dance Fugdi is related to which state? Fugdi is related which state? Goa. Goa, Goa. Name the popular folk dance of Puducherry. Puducherry, Karadi, 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 Karadi. Puducherry. Next question. Though the Council of Minister. Council of Minister is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Responsible to the Lok Sabha. The individual ministers are constantly responsible to the President. The President. What is the name of the scheme? What is the name of the scheme? Proposed for the development of marine and inland fisheries. Marine and inland fisheries in the stimulus package. Stimulus package. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. PMMSY. Who among the following was the first posthumous recipient of Bharat Ratna? Bharat Ratna. First posthumous recipient of Bharat Ratna, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for the outstanding work in the field of literature and journalism. Literature and journalism. Who was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award? Lifetime Achievement Award at the third edition of the India International Film Festival. India International Film Festival of Boston, IIFFP. India International Film Festival Boston 2020. Om Puri. Lifetime Achievement Award. Om Puri. Subprime crisis. In term associate with which one of the following events? Subprime crisis is term associate with which one of the following events? Economic recessions. The Council of Ministers of Indian Union is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. The Council of Ministers of Indian Union is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Who has won the International Booker Prize 2020? International Booker Prize 2020. Marikia Lucas Reginewald. Marikia Lucas Reginewald. International Booker Prize. Marikia Lucas Reginewald. Achievement Universal Household Electrification. Date வந்து 26 November. The Kulima Ghana Prize is given in the field of World Press Freedom. What is the minimum age of joining the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Minimum age of the joining Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana 18 years. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana 18 years. Lewis Award is associated to the field of sports. Lewis Award is associated to the field of which field? Sports. In India National Constitution Day observed every year on 26 November. In India National Constitution Day observed in every year on 26 November. Day வந்து 26 November. National Youth Day is observed on 12th January. National Youth Day is observed on 12th January. Who has been honored with the 2020 Aditya Vikram Birla? Who has been honored with the 2020 Aditya Vikram Birla Kalasigar Puraskar? Aditya Vikram Birla Kalasigar Puraskar Nasiruddin Sag, honored with a 2020 Aditya Vikram Bella Kalasigar Praskar. Nasiruddin Sag. Thank you to all.